This is Trayanne with FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds, where preparations are already underway for the 2026 Florida RV SuperShow. This is a huge show, the greatest RV show on earth. And this year's show is even bigger, with a brand new section of exhibits and over 1.3 million square feet of display space, featuring thousands of brand new RVs. Every major manufacturer will be here displaying their newest RVs with the most innovative technology. You'll also find over 450 booth exhibitors showcasing the latest aftermarket products, innovative accessories, and incredible RV destinations. The show is so large, you simply can't see it all in one day, and that's why every admission ticket includes a free second day to come back and explore. To purchase tickets, visit FRVTA.org, click on the Florida RV SuperShow link on the home page. On the SuperShow webpage, there will be an advanced ticket sale link under admission. The 2026 Florida RV SuperShow will be at the Florida State Fairgrounds January 14th through 18th. The gates are open Wednesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The parking gates open daily at 7 a.m. Enjoy free tram service from the parking lots and around the perimeter of the show. Attend educational seminars on a variety of RV topics. And don't miss the expanded RV influencer meet and greet, where you can meet some of your favorite online RV personalities. There's nonstop, family-friendly roving entertainment throughout the fairgrounds, plus all your favorite fair food and food trucks serving everything from barbecue and pizza to sweet treats, along with frosty cold drinks and adult beverages. There is overnight parking and power sites available at the fairgrounds, but space is limited, so reserve your spot as soon as possible. There is a link to reserve camping on the SuperShow homepage as well. Plan your adventure and navigate at the show. I recommend downloading our app. Just go to your app or Play Store on your smart device and search for FRVTA or Florida RV Trade Association. After you download the app, please explore the great features before the show. For more information on the 2026 Florida RV SuperShow, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. I will be posting sneak peek and opening day videos of the show, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.